Hey guys, this is my Tuesday. Helping out Kelsey water the grass or plant thing at her to work. That's what I do. It's pretty fun. The little thing I do to help my fiance with. Yeah, sometimes we're just watering these plants. And then we water both. Maybe take some of this wall. Take that shit over. So, a day at work at FedEx, I have 10 deliveries that have to be due in 1 hour. Yeah, working here is pretty hard. You get used to it. Luckily, I only have 6 pickups, and those I have 3 hours to do them. It's totally fine. But deliveries are kind of hard because I usually get hospitals or gated communities. Sometimes I have to find a certain area where the customer tells me where to deliver. For instance, I did have a customer saying I have to deliver a package like under a tree or behind the building or under the basement. That's pretty crazy, but you know, not for FedEx, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to get 2 trucks. About to take to the airport. I cannot find any good trucks. It's been a little day of life in FedEx world. Found a truck. Guys, my super broke. It sucks. Hope nobody sees. I'm trying to fix it. Hey guys, so I am currently delivering a package to my old middle school. So I'm at a stop right now, and one of the stops is I have to open a freaking locker. And the last time I opened a locker was in high school, so I don't remember how to do it. And it's been about 20 minutes I've been trying to do this. No one is around to help me at all because this school is dead, and I don't know, man. So I'm delivering at a retirement home. It's pretty nice out here, you know? Oh my god. How long has that been there? It's dirty all around, you know what I'm saying? You know, that's what happens in this job. You get dirty sometimes. And look what they have, a chair. Finished everything at my work. Now I'm heading home to go sleep.
We are on our way to an art installation.
So it's a hidden art gallery here in LA. And I always pass by it like during work, and I was super curious about it. Kelsey helped me find it. Like find out what it was. Yeah.
Street view.
Find out where it was.
Be really good stalkers.
Yeah, and we're excited to go, and we're excited to see what this art gallery has to offer.
Woohoo!
And this art gallery is in front of a prison.
Prison.
Yeah.
A prison we did not know was there.
Or even exists.
Or even existed before
until Google mapped it.
Until we mapped it. So that's fun. Parking in this area is going to be super fun to think about. You know how LA is with their parking. We are almost there. They said cameras are allowed, so I'm going to record in there.
Oh yeah.
I don't care. I'm just going to record in there too, so.
So for tomorrow. Or
by the time you see this, you will have already saw that.
Yeah. finished the art gallery. It was really fun, and now we're on our way to get food. Really
Great
fun.
show. Great gallery. Go check it out.
Amazing art gallery. Would go again.
Probably will.
Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. I am super happy that all the Karens are doing this. I love watching all the videos, and I cannot wait to post more, not just about my job, but what I do at home, when I'm not working. Can't wait to post more of that. And all of that is going to next week's video. Bye guys.